Now that we know our deploy script works, we can configure it to use on different test networks. The first thing that we're going to need to do that is setup.env. So we will use yarn add as a developer resource .env. Then in our config file for Hardhat, we will import .env from .env, and then run .env.config. You probably already know how important it is to use tools like .env to protect keys and other secret information, but it's particularly important for a smart contract because if your wallet gets compromised, then that permanently and irrevocably compromises the entire smart contract as deployed, and there's really not any way that you can fix it other than deploying a new smart contract and directing your users to that one. So I've already set up a .env file with this information in it. We're going to need the mnemonic, which is the 12 words that make up our wallet's key. And we're going to use alchemy keys for Gorly and Mumbai. If you need your own keys, you can go to Alchemy's website and sign up for a free account, and you should be able to get some keys that are sufficient for testing. Next, we're going to add a property for networks. And the first one we'll add is Base Squarley. This is the test network for Coinbase's L2 chain. And in that, we need a URL, which is https://gorly.base.org. And then for accounts, we'll use our mnemonic, which is in process.env mnemonic. And then we're going to say, if we don't have that, we just want to import an empty string. And the reason why we're doing this, instead of importing the mnemonic as a string, is that this will let us, or let one of our colleagues who might be working on the repo as well, run all the tests locally on the Hardhat network without needing to set up all of these environment variables. So it's just a little bit of extra convenience. Next, we'll go ahead and add the same thing for the Gorly and Mumbai networks. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste these in to avoid you needing to watch me type a bunch of things. But it's the same information just for those networks. One difference you'll see is that the URL is not open and public for these networks. So you'll need to use a provider and have most likely a key from that provider when you import the URL.